The Kindergarten Story, teaching aids children education. Dolls are an outstanding investment for anyone involved in early childhood education. They provide a playful and effective way for children to engage with stories, develop essential skills, and foster a lifelong love for learning. The combination of quality, usability, and educational value makes these puppets a recommended choice for both home and classroom settings. Furthermore, these puppets can be utilized in various educational settings, from classrooms to home learning environments. They align well with preschool and kindergarten curricula, making them an ideal tool for teachers seeking to introduce basic concepts in a fun and engaging manner. Whether used for teaching animal names, colors, or even basic emotions, the versatility of these puppets is impressive. Parents will also appreciate the ease of cleaning these finger puppets, as they can be spot cleaned when necessary, keeping them fresh and hygienic for children. Their lightweight design ensures that even the youngest children can handle them with ease, adding to their usability in various educational activities.